my guys, we back with another banger. Yo, it's your boy Keem, all hair, everything, you feel me? We back with another how to grow hair fast tips. I'm gonna give you another 3 tips. I did 2 previous videos that show you how to grow your hair faster. Check those out before you check this one, because this is basically a series. It's like a kind of like what's it called? Like a series of videos, you feel me? So each week I'm gonna add another video on, but that gives tips on how y'all can grow your hair faster. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. But before that, please like, comment, subscribe. Right now, you looking at me right now. Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me like that? Hit the like button right there. It's right there. Hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button too. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, or else we finna fight. Like, listen, I'll fight every single one of y'all in the comment section. Like, what's up?
What's up?
Y'all gonna see these hands. Like, nah, I'm just playing. It's all love, guys. It's all love. Love, guys. You feel me? Happy New Year to everybody. It's a new year, 2021. I wish y'all all the best, more success, more favor, more good luck in y'all lives and y'all families' lives. So without saying any more, let's jump right into the video. First tip number 1 is stop scratching your scalp. Stop scratching your scalp. Just stop. Stop!
Okay.
Stop. It's not helping your hair grow at all. You feel me? When you scratch your scalp, 1, it damages your skin and your hair follicles. It damages your hair cuticles. 2, it leads it leads to more like scalp dryness. It leaves your hair like dry because you're scratching your scalp. Excuse me. And it leaves your scalp vulnerable to more dryness. I think I already said that. But anyways, just stop scratching your scalp, you feel me? I know, like, you could just be sitting around just scratching all day, but like, it's not gonna help you. It's not beneficial to your scalp. And honestly, it's hindering your hair growth, you feel me? I used to do that a lot too, until I watched this video that said, scratching your scalp is bad for hair growth. So I stopped, you feel me? So what you can do to kind of remedy that, you can buy this one product that I use. It's called, I think, Jamaican Black and Lime. Well, I'm gonna put it in another video. I'm gonna make a whole nother video dedicated to not scratching your scalp and scalp itchiness, because I do get that a lot, especially when I have braids. Like, my hair's in braids right now. You feel me? I did it myself. You feel me, your boy? And I did the cut too. You feel me? I do it all.
Relax.
I do it all. But yeah, like, I'm gonna make a whole nother video dedicated to that, and why you shouldn't scratch your scalp, and how to deal with scalp itchiness for hair growth for me. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna come out soon, probably next week or the week after that. So stay tuned for that. Check that out. I'll make a video on that. All right, so tip number 2 is let your hair be dirty. Now, this tip is kind of like controversial a little bit, because some people say clean scalp encourages more hair growth, and then some people say a dirty scalp encourages more hair growth. But honestly, it depends on like what works better for you. Me personally, I wash my hair like once a month, or like once every 3 weeks. So, well, that's pretty much like once a month, you feel me? But like, that's what works for me, because my hair like is 4B4C, like high porosity. So like, my hair doesn't really get that dirty, you know what I mean? And like, I don't get too much buildup, you feel me? So like, I can go that long without washing my hair, because my hair doesn't really get that dirty. And I go to the gym, I'm a very active person, I sweat a lot too, for me. So like, my hair, like, it does build up, but it doesn't get that much buildup, you feel me? So like, you can go a couple weeks with letting your hair be dirty, and while the period of your hair being dirty, you feel me, the natural sebum on your scalp, you feel me, because your hair it creates a natural oil on your scalp that's gonna help your hair grow, and it's gonna naturally condition your hair, you feel me, because your body pretty much knows what it needs to keep itself, you know, regulated and keep everything going, you feel me? So your scalp is gonna naturally create that sebum that is gonna build up over time on your scalp, you feel me? And that's what's gonna moisturize your hair and condition your hair. So like the more you wash your hair, the more you're just washing away all that sebum, the more you're just washing away all that natural oils that your body is creating for your hair to flourish, you feel me? So like, it depends on you really. Like, this is a tip, but it's kind of controversial because like, some people say washing your hair, it grows your hair faster, and then some people say letting your hair be dirty, it grows faster. I honestly think both of those people are right. It's just, you gotta find the balance. You gotta find what works best for you. You feel me? If you think that, okay, after 2 weeks, your hair needs to be washed, then do that. You feel me? It really depends on you and your hair. Listen to your hair. If your hair feels like, okay, it has too much buildup and it just feels like dirty, then wash it, you feel me? Because washing your hair also can help hair growth, but it really just works what works for you, you feel me? So tip number 3 is to seal in your moisture, seal in the moisture. So after you apply any type of moisture on your hair, whether it's water, whether it's leave-in, whether it's deep conditioner, anything, make sure to seal in the moisture. I cannot stress this enough. Seal in that moisture, seal in the moisture, my guy. You feel me? Like the water, like you gotta keep the water to yourself. You gotta keep that moisture. You gotta keep that. Listen. You just gotta seal in the moisture because it's just so many benefits to having your hair be moisturized. Like, one, it helps retain hair length, it prevents breakage, prevents split ends, keeps your hair more manageable, helps your hair stay healthy, helps your hair have its natural flexibility of your hair. So like when you pull on your hair, it's gonna stretch instead of it breaking, you feel me? Like, and just overall, it's just gonna be more softer. Like, who wants hard, dry hair? Like, nobody, you feel me? If you had a shorty and she feeling your hair, you feel me? You want her to feel some nice, soft hair. You don't want her to feel like, oh, your hair is hard and dry, just crunchy. Like, nobody wants that. Like, who the fuck wants that? Like, you know what I mean? But like, yeah, seal in your moisture. Preferably seal in your hair with like an oil or like a grease. Me personally, I use a grease because oils don't really work very well to seal in the moisture on my hair, so I prefer to use a grease because grease, my hair type is 4B4C and I have high porosity hair, so like I need something heavy, like heavy type products to seal in any moisture in my hair. Like any type of light products, like oil is too light for me, but that's just me personally, you feel me? I'm just saying what works for me personally. For you, you guys might find oil to be what works better for you, you feel me? If oil works better for you and that's actually seals your hair with the moisture, then do that, you feel me? You can use a whole bunch of different oils. There's so many oils. You can use coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil, olive oil, almond oil, tea tree oil. Like, it's just so many oils, you feel me? So just pick whatever oil you like, you feel me? And use that. So there you have it, guys. That's 3 tips. 3 more tips on how to get the fast hair growth. I know y'all want the fast hair growth, how to grow your hair fast. I got it for you. I just gave it to you. Stay tuned for more. There's gonna be a lot more tips, a lot more videos just like this. I got y'all. I know y'all want the fast hair growth. Trust me. Mira, tú me tienes. I got you. Don't worry. No te preocupes para nada más. Okay, I got you, my guy. I got you. But make sure you got me by 1, hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on your post notifications. And with that being said, we out. Let's get it. Happy New Year, my guys. We out.
Ready for all this cuffish shit, man. Fuck that shit. Whoa.